In a small village surrounded by rolling hills lived a curious girl named Lily. Lily loved exploring the forest near her home, especially the hidden magical garden. The garden was full of glittering flowers, talking animals, and glowing trees. But today, Lily was about to uncover its biggest mystery yet. One sunny morning, Lily found a tiny scroll tied to a tree branch. She untied it and read the note aloud. The note said, "The magical garden is in danger. If you are brave, follow the silver path to find the key." Lily's heart raced. She couldn't let the magical garden be destroyed. Without hesitation, she followed the shimmering silver path into the woods. Soon, Lily came to a sparkling river. On the bank, a wise old turtle sat with a riddle. "To cross the river, you must answer this. What belongs to you but is used most often by others?" asked the turtle. Lily thought hard. Then, with a smile, she answered, "My name." The turtle nodded, and the stepping stones lit up, leading her safely across the river. On the other side of the river, Lily met a chatty fox who spoke quickly. "I have what you seek, but I need something in return. Can you spare me some of your snacks?" asked the fox. Lily hesitated. She packed her snacks for the long journey, but the fox looked very hungry. She decided to share half of her food. "Thank you, kind traveler. Here's the next clue. Look for the tallest tree with golden leaves," said the fox. The fox ran off, and Lily continued her journey. Soon, Lily reached the tallest tree in the forest. Beneath it lay a golden box. The box was locked, and the keyhole sparkled like stars. Just as Lily reached for it, she heard a deep voice say, "Only someone with courage and kindness can open this box. But be warned, opening it will require a great choice." Lily nodded and placed her hands on the box. A glowing key appeared in her hand, and she unlocked it. Inside the box were two magical items. The first was a glowing seed that could heal the garden and make it more beautiful than ever. The second was a shining crystal that could protect the garden forever from harm. But she could only choose one. What should Lily choose? The glowing seed, which will bring beauty and life to the garden, or the shining crystal, which will keep the garden safe forever? Think carefully. What would you choose? Whatever Lily chooses, the magical garden will always be a place of wonder and joy. Adventures like these remind us of the power of choices, kindness, bravery, and thinking ahead. What's your choice? Let us know, and we'll see you on the next adventure.